Okay, I wanted to do a quick clips tutorial. I looked all around the internet and couldn't find one, so just want to go through a couple things. I use my mouse, so I'm going to go up here to this icon on the top left, and I'm going to create a new project. And so I'm all clean down here. So I'm going to jump over into posters and bring the Let It Snow in. Looks like this has to download first. You'll have that occasionally. Okay, so you notice it's not down here on my timeline yet. So I'm going to click in here and get some text. I'll just add an exclamation point. Okay, and hit apply. But nothing happens yet. If I click off of this, it'll just go away. You have to record it even if you just bring this up. So I'm going to go ahead and push the pink record button, and I'm just going to record this as it plays. And now you see it on here on my timeline. And if we go ahead and play, I'm just going to record this as it plays. So if I don't want the audio for this, I can just select the clip down here and click on mute, and then click away, or hit done, sorry. And then if I want to use something from my library, some picture or video that I've already taken, I'll just grab this one of my coffee cup. You can really decorate in cool ways with some effects with these, and so I'm going to go in here to effects with a little star, dramatic cool. There we go. Maybe we can put some text on here. Grab this awesome one. Put this right here, and maybe a little sticker of an arrow, if I can find it. There we go. I have to use my fingers to turn this. I was just going to emphasize the saving the planet thing. And again, this does not appear on my timeline down here until I record something. And so I'm going to go ahead and record. I love that I can save the planet and shop local. Now you see it down here. So if we go over to this, these are called live titles, which is a great way to add text to what's being said. And so I'll just go ahead and do this one, which is a great one because it will highlight the words as I go through. I love that I can shop local and also save the planet right here in Wabash, Indiana. Okay, so let's see how this plays now. I love that I can save the planet and shop local. I love that I can shop local and also save the planet right here in Wabash, Indiana. Okay, so I don't need this text twice. I'm going to grab this clip and I'm going to mute this one as well. And I may trim this a little bit to make it shorter, just a second and a half, and then hit trim. And then I'll go back here and play it from the start. Oh, oops. Just click that one and play it from the start. I love that I can shop local and also save the planet right here in Wabash, Indiana. Okay. So that's just some basics about how to use clips. You can go into your library, kids can record things, they can annotate them. They can use these poster texts. There's a little bit of animation that's created in here. You can add music up in this area. Look at some of the soundtracks or some of your own music. Some of this will need to be downloaded. And when you're done, this is an important thing, you have to click on this little share button here. And we have to save this as a video file. Once we do that, you'll find it in your photos, and you'll be able to upload that to Canvas, share it to Seesaw, or just share it in any other way you would with any other kind of video. So, I hope this is helpful.